Hello everyone, this is Calvin Professor C here. So today I am very excited to tell you that my book, the new Mortgage Agent Handbook, has been officially launched in Amazon. So you can see that how happy I am. Now, this book is, I spent a lot of time writing it. My aim is to help new mortgage agent in Canada that those just passed their mortgage license exam, as well as some newer mortgage agent, to help them go through every day so that they know practically what they need to do to get business, to get the deal done, and to get approval, funding, and get paid. And that's what this YouTube channel is all about, right? To make new mortgage agent making more money and faster. That's always my ideology. So this book is very concentrate. It's not like very thick, very long, but every page, every sentence is very concentrated. Every sentence is very important. You can go through the book very fast, but you have to digest the information. You sometimes have to actually use some of the example to practice some calculation of ratio. You have to personally do some mock interview with some of your friends maybe, or with your relative to practice the way I teach you how to interview the client. So although the book is not very thick, but it's very concentrated. Okay, so I hope that you find it very useful. And for those people who tune into my channel from time to time, I'm pretty sure you will find it very, very useful. Now, to celebrate my launch, I have provided a discount on the price. Right now is $7.99 on the Kindle edition. But a month from now, at the end of April, the price will go up. The price will go up. Okay, so don't miss the discount because I'm celebrating my first book launch on Amazon, so I'm very excited. I am giving you guys a discount. Now, I also understand that in Amazon, sometimes finding a book or something that you like is not easy. So I have provided you a link, here. You can copy it down, or I will provide it in my video description. You basically just have to paste it there, click, and it will go directly to the page that have my book, and then you can just buy with one click, or just like normal way to buy something from Amazon. Okay, and as another bonus, once you buy the book, you send me an email after you write the review, because once you buy the book, you can write a review for the book. After you write the review, okay, please send me an email. I will have my email address on the video description, and I will have a bonus gift for you. The reason I do that is also because this is my first time writing a book, and your review and your opinion is very valuable for me to improve and maybe to make improvement and make a second edition, so that the next version would be a better one. As well as I'm also planning to have a book 2 to have some of the more advanced topic discussed. So your review is very valuable to me, the review on Amazon.ca. So write a review, send me an email, and then I'm going to send you a bonus gift. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you will like the bonus gift. It's very, very useful. Okay, so that's it for my video. Praise God, and I hope you enjoyed the book. Go to the link, buy my books, write a review, send me email. I get you the bonus gift and get the discount. Okay, thank you.